A midday break for your eyes. This practice uses targeted eye exercises to reset your vision, release tension, and bring clarity back to your day. Come to a relaxed position. If you're seated, that could be leaning back in your chair, maybe scooting down so your head can rest on the back of the chair, or maybe you have enough space to lay down. Your arms can be at your sides or maybe even interlaced on your belly. Whatever feels good for you today, just come to a place where you can truly relax. And then as you're ready, close your eyes, giving them a moment to reset from staring at screens all day. If you're not able to close your eyes in this moment, look away from any screens and soften your gaze, kind of like you're just lost in thought. If your eyes are closed, take a moment to note any colors, shapes, or patterns
If your
you've
gaze
noticed
is
behind the
softened,
eyelids. Notice how your eyes feel in this moment, not focused on a screen. Maybe even try to blink slower. And then just focus on your breathing for the next few moments, taking a few deep breaths in and out. Most of our time is spent looking close up at screens. We're looking at computers, tablets, phones, even POS systems. It's beneficial to allow the ciliary muscles in the eyes relax just by looking at something far off in the distance about every 20 minutes or so. So, whenever you're ready, open your eyes or maybe strengthen your gaze, and then just find an object far away, something at least 20 feet away from you. You can look out of a window, across the room, just the furthest thing you can see from where you're sitting in this moment. Try to focus on it. Try to make out as many details as you can, even if it looks blurry to you. You can think about or try and notice the color, the shape, the thickness. Maybe it's letters on a building, trees, whatever it is. Just allow your eyes to relax into that far off distance. Good. Now bring your focus to something closer. You can hold a finger or a pen or a pencil up just a few inches away from your face. Maybe you have like a plant or some type of object about, like, let's say, like a foot away from you that you can stare at. Now focus on that clearly. You can pick a spot on it, like the tip of your pen or fingernail or the tip of that leaf, and just try and focus on identifying some interesting characteristics of it. Good. Now shift your gaze away to something far once again. This time, try to go even further than before. Focus there for the next few seconds. And then come back to that closer object, focusing there. And we'll repeat this for a few more times. So look far off, maybe even further this time, and then come back and look close. Look off far in the distance and look close. Just building that muscle flexibility in the eyes a couple more times. Far off in the distance, look close, look far, and then look close one more time. Look far and look close. Good. Now close your eyes and just take a couple deep breaths in and out. When you're ready, open your eyes and keep your head completely still here. Just look up at your forehead. And then try and look over your right shoulder again, not moving your head. Look down at your lips, and then try and look over at your left shoulder. We'll take one more round, look up between your eyebrows or up at the forehead, then over that right shoulder, down at the mouth, over your left shoulder. And then just take some fluid circles in that clockwise direction. And then we'll switch directions. So start by looking down at the lips, over the left shoulder, look up at the forehead and the eyebrows, over the right shoulder. One more time, down at the lips, left shoulder, forehead, right shoulder, and then take your circles counterclockwise this time. Good. Now try and look at your right ear and hold your gaze there, looking far, far right. And then try and look over your left ear, holding your gaze there, far, far left. Take it back towards the right ear and over to the left. Let's go a little faster, going to the right, to the left. Right, left, right, left. Now look up and to the right, so kind of like diagonal. Hold that for a moment, and then look down to the bottom left. Now up to the top left, and down to the bottom right. Up to the right, down to the left, up to the left corner, and down to the right. And now just start blinking rapidly, fast and full, just lubricating the eyeballs for a couple of seconds. And then when you're ready, close your eyes or just come again to softening the gaze. Take a full breath in and out. Bring the hands together and just rub your palms briskly, creating a little warmth in between your palms. Start to get a little faster. Get a little faster. And rub your hands together for as fast as you can for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your palms up to frame your eyes. No pressure on the eyeballs, just a gentle heated seal. And take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. One more time, deep breath in. Deep breath out. And just take a moment here to notice how you feel. When you're ready, lower your hands. Keep your eyes closed for just a moment longer. And gradually let the light filter back in. Blink a few times, nice and soft, to open the eyes. Come back to this practice whenever your eyes need a break or if your mind just needs a very quick reset. Thank yourself for allowing a little time and space in your calendar for you today. If you find this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share so that more people can find these tools. Wishing you a day that feels like a Friday. Peace.